How much does a 3D printer cost? When buying a 3D printer, it's important to choose the right one for your intended use. 3D printers vary significantly in terms of the type of technology and the materials used, as well as size, speed, and print quality. Professional desktop printers generally range in price from $2,000 to $20,000. And production-level 3D printers can cost from $20,000 to $500,000 or more. There are many different types of 3D printers. Our team of experts will help you choose the right printer to match your requirements. Besides selling 3D equipment, what services do you provide? We offer a full range of 3D printing and 3D scanning services. We can help you through the entire process from designing your product to prototype production of the actual part. If you come to us with nothing more than an idea, we can help you create the CAD model. If you have an object that you want to re-engineer or something you want to preserve in the digital archive, we offer a full range of 3D scanning services. If you have a 3D model that's ready to print, we have one of the most extensive prototype printing facilities available, covering all different types of 3D printing technologies. Our specialists would be happy to help you. What types of 3D scanning services do you offer? We've 3D scanned objects as large as an unmanned drone with a 30-foot wingspan and a 10-foot tall bronze statue. We've scanned things as small as broken car parts or pieces of jewelry, and pretty much everything in between, including people. We've scanned turbines and mechanical systems for engineers, archaeological artifacts for university researchers, and paintings for commercial artists. We have a fully equipped 3D scanning lab, but we also often are asked to go on-site to scan objects that have to remain in place. Our specialists can help you with whatever type of 3D scanning you need. Can you 3D print my model? Yes. Our 3D printing facility includes a full range of printers that can print with plastics, resins, or powders. We take a more consultative approach to our customers' 3D printing needs than the large commercial service bureaus. We can provide prints faster and at a lower cost. And we quality control our customers' prints to be sure you get the best results possible. Our specialists will work with you to understand your needs and recommend the best solutions. Do you sell materials and supplies? Yes. We have one of the most extensive inventories of 3D printing materials available, including original manufacturers' brands, as well as the leading specialty brands. We also carry a full supply of parts and accessories for the equipment we sell. Our service and support technicians are manufacturer certified, and we offer installation and ongoing training for everyone on your team, regardless of experience level. Do you offer larger scale solutions beyond single printers and scanners? 3D Herndon is at the forefront of emerging trends in 3D printing. One of these trends is the increasing use of multi-printer installations and networks. Innovation centers, makerspaces, companies, and schools are deploying larger quantities of printers, as well as distributed networks of printers across their organizations. We can guide your enterprise through the process of defining requirements, selecting the right technologies, deploying and integrating the equipment, and training your staff. Contact us today for a free consultation and to learn more.